Hi all, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can remove your camera from your Windows device and re-add it. Just as a heads up for those Windows users that are running Windows on a Mac, things will look slightly different to you than it does in this video, but I'll point out that one difference. I think it's just one difference. The first thing you want to do if your camera and microphone stop working, just give your computer a quick reboot. That's the easiest and hopefully fastest thing you can do. If that doesn't help, you want to right click on the start button, then find Device Manager, and then in the options you've got audio inputs and outputs, and where you've got your microphones and your speakers. And then for you it would be called imaging devices. For me it's called cameras. What you want to do is right click on the device, say uninstall the device, and just uninstall it. If it gives you the option to remove the driver, don't. Simply click uninstall. Then also, and I'm not going to do this, you can right click on your microphone and do the same thing, uninstall the device. And you can remove any of these devices. Basically, when your computer restarts, it'll go through scanning for any new devices it doesn't know about yet and will automatically reinstall them. So what you want to do once you've removed the devices, simply go to File, Exit, and give your computer a quick restart. Once your computer starts up again, test Google Hangout. The easiest way is just opening that up, going to meet.google.com, just click Join or Start a Meeting, type in something like test, continue, and for me it hasn't found the camera because I've just removed it, but the microphone is working. I hope this was useful, and if there is any problems, feel free to contact me and I will help you out as best as I can. Yeah, have a good week, hopefully not a stressful week, and stay healthy.